Hey y'all, it's the Boujee Baddie and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be about how I achieved this cute burgundy color. Y'all, I've been trying to get this color for the longest, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Of course, it's going to be right here. Head over and subscribe to my channel. So let's go to the beauty supply and see how we get this beautiful color. See you guys in a few seconds. So today, boom, I went into the beauty supply. Mind you, I'm doing my baddie on a budget, like always. So all of my products that's going to be in my basket are going to be under $50. Girl, what? You said what? Under $50? Yes, under $50. So I'm going to use the Adore Semi-Permanent because I always use Adore. I've never really just stepped out and used any other colors, but I always watercolor my hair because I feel like it's the easiest way not to mess up anything. Let me down in the description or down in the comments, I'm sorry, what y'all use. So right here you see me picking up the Adore Burgundy Envy, and then I'm gonna pick up the Rich Amber. So these two colors mixed together are going to help me get to that burgundy color that you saw in the previous clip. Both of these semi-permanents are around about $7. They $6 and some change, so I just rounded it up to $7. Both of these colors are about $14 put together. So I picked up one of each because I don't need that much color to do what I have to do. So yeah, y'all, drop in the comments what color I should try next because I'm kind of phasing out of the red thing. I want to try some browns, so let me know what y'all want to see. Anyways, both of these colors are going to mix together and become a very pretty burgundy color. So now y'all see me heading over to get me some bleaching powder and some developer. I personally use 30 volume developer a lot. You should kind of have that in your arsenal just to be on the safe side. It's usually about $3 depending on what brand you get. I just ran in there and got like a little small bottle. That 20 volume developer, it's safe to have those still in your arsenal depending on what kind of colors. If you like loud colors, I would go for 40. If you like smaller colors, I would go for 20. Also, the BW2, it's a little bit cheaper than the L'Oreal Quick Blue, but it depends on what outcome you're looking for. I personally use L'Oreal Quick Blue because it don't leave my hair as brassy as the BW2. BW2 right here is about $5. It stayed $3.99, but plus taxes like $4.32. Who got time to be doing all that addition? So I just round off to $5. So BW2 is a little bit cheaper than the L'Oreal Quick Blue. That pack is about $2.99 plus tax, depending on what you're going for. Either one works. I just prefer L'Oreal Quick Blue because I've worked with it before. Y'all excuse my nails. I was on my way to the nail shop. Okay. Alright, so I made it home before I left for the nail shop, and this is what I'm going to use to achieve the color that I had in the previous clips. So I ended up having two quick blues. One of them I had at home in my hair cabinet, and the other one I bought inside the beauty supply store. So they both was the same price. Again, make sure you keep one of these in your hair cabinet because it comes in handy, especially if you're bleaching knots. It doesn't turn your knots orange. Make sure you have at least, for real y'all, at least one of these in your hair cabinet. Then this 20 volume developer, I've had it since quarantine. I got it from Sally's. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, of course, but I had it since quarantine because all the rest of the beauty supply stores, of course, y'all know, was closed. Of course, y'all know I told y'all about the Rich Amber and the Burgundy Envy. I'm going to use those when I watercolor the hair. Then, like I said about the developer, make sure y'all keep those, especially that 30. The 30 does wonders for everything. Also, y'all, those mixing bowls that you saw, those mixing bowls came from Sally's. My mama actually bought the big one with the split in the middle from Sally's. Thank you, Mama Baddie, for doing that for me. The L'Oreal Quick Blue really, really works, y'all. That a tub of that is like basically $25. You can even find it on Amazon. Amazon have a lot of good hair products or whatever. You can find it on Amazon and get like a big tub or whatever for like $25. That's if you want to buy it in bulk. If you're just doing something quick, I suggest getting that. Other than that, all the stuff that you see on here, on this table right here, is definitely what I use. Also, the Tresemme shampoo that you saw earlier, those help with, keeping your hair, bringing it back to life from, because of course when you bleach your hair, y'all know we do all this, extra processing, extra tugging and pulling, and your hair can be, kind of flat and, lackluster. It bring it right back. Like I was telling y'all about these mixing bowls, they the GOAT. They been through some things. Thanks to my mama, she invested in me. Mama Baddie invested in me and brought me my first set of mixing bowls. And I ain't looked back since. The silicone mix, that is another key factor. That silicone mix basically brings your hair back to life, makes it more bouncy and more flowy. It won't leave it all stale looking. You can use silicone mix when you wash out your dye or even before you even do your hair. You can throw some silicone mix in there, it'll bring it right back to life. Alright, y'all, so here y'all see me with my double-sided mixing bowl. Thank you, Mama Baddie. I put some bleaching powder in both the mixing sides because, well, I'm about to do a double mix job. Yes, I said a double mix job. We're gonna do one side 20, one side 30. Stay tuned because I'm gonna walk you through the process. So on that side I put 20 volume, and on the other side I put 30 volume developer. Y'all, this helps because it keeps you, it keeps you from having to walk back and forth trying to say, oops, wait, what did I do? So remember, you put 20 on one side and 30 on the other side. So right here, I'm just putting it 30 at the bottom. I put the 30 the volume developer at the bottom because, well, I wanted my darker ends to be on my bottom. So right here, you see me slapping the bleach on because it's the bottom, y'all, I don't want to say who cares about the bottom, but I really don't go for the bottom because, well, my bottom is usually my dark color anyway. So it's up to you. Some people just slap the bleach on like me. I slap my bleach on, make sure it's thoroughly, in between each crevices and each strand has enough. Right here, you see me going through the first time, just slapping the bleach on there, making sure it's between each fine hair because bleach, it can penetrate everything, but you just want to make sure you go behind it with like a brush and go get in there good. Make sure every piece got a piece of bleach on it. Or you can give it a bleach bath if you're not using different developers. Well, I usually do a bleach bath where I put water and bleaching powder inside of a tub of water, and I just throw it, basically, y'all, ain't no cute way to do. I just throw the whole wig in there and let it bleach all at the same time. But this, I did like a custom, ombre. I didn't do just like one color or whatever. So right here, you see me slapping that bleach on the left and on the right. Toward the front, you're going to see me put 20 because I didn't want my face, because I'm already dark skin. I didn't want that burgundy color kind of wash me out. So I put that burgundy color in the front a little bit darker so it can almost look, face friendly, number one, and like almost dark burgundy. So in the middle, as you can see, I put 30 as well because in the middle, I want it to be like light. So when I do my layers, it can give me that ombre look that I want. That's a cheat code, y'all. I actually taught myself that. I didn't even know how to do it. I just really just thought and said, I wonder if I do it like this, would it come out right? And it did. So make sure y'all try it. Let me know if y'all tried it or not because it came out right. Yeah, like I said, I'm just slapping this bleach on in the middle because, and it's a 30 volume, I'm slapping it on there because, well, it's the middle. I'm going to cut it in layers anyway. And I just want to make sure each piece of hair have some bleach on it, y'all. That's the key thing to bleaching and coloring hair. Make sure every piece has product on it. You don't want some of your hair one color and another hair black, especially when you bleaching from black. You don't want that to happen. So right here, y'all see me with this brush. Notice I'm going in with a brush this time and not just my hands. I'm gonna work it in my hands, of course, but I'm gonna really go through with a brush and make sure I got every single detail. So comment down below, y'all, what y'all think I should do my hair with next time. Should I have straight hair? Should I have some deep wave hair, some curly hair? I'm not for sure, y'all. I really want to try a blunt cut bob, but I'm scared of how it's going to look because I got chunky cheeks. But y'all comment down below what y'all think my next hairstyle should be. I'm kind of, really want to try a bob. Yeah, I really want to try it, but I don't know how it will look on me. Yeah, send some suggestions my way because, I really want to try this. So right here, y'all, I'm still going through it, making sure each piece got bleach on it. I'm still in the middle, so you still see me packing 30 volume developer inside the middle. Y'all, make sure, y'all, when y'all bleaching hair and coloring hair, you guys are in a well-ventilated area. Y'all almost choked myself trying to color this hair. So, you see where I'm pointing at? Where I'm pointing at, that's where the 20 volume developer goes, right there. Y'all gonna see me, with the same 20 volume developer from the other clip. Y'all gonna see me go in right there. I already mixed it off camera. I'm gonna go in the front, and I'm gonna take my smaller fine tooth mixing brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make sure that is packed in correctly. You want to make sure where your temples are, where the lace will lie, your front part of your hair is immaculate. You don't want pieces that's black and it's supposed to be color on them just because you didn't go through thoroughly. If anything that's gonna be face fronting where your ears and where your eyebrows are, you gotta make sure each part got bleach on it, each part got color on it. You guys don't be coming up here, y'all, with some backwards hairstyles that, oops, I forgot to pack it on right there. That's why y'all see me with this small brush going in and out. I'm weaving in and out of this hair to make sure each part got some bleach on it, because this part is facing the front part of my head, and I do not need to look foolish. I wore this for my birthday, y'all, so I definitely had to make sure I was on point. But yeah, right now you see me working the ends in because, again, this is the front. You gotta make sure everything is everything. That's why you see me picking the hair up and moving it around and making sure I got each piece saturated, because I ain't want to look foolish. Just like I'm saying, y'all ain't want to look foolish. I ain't want to look foolish either. It's happened to me before. I thought I had it, and I thought I had every piece saturated, and I did, and my color came out weird looking. And I had to go back in and try to hope and pray I got the same color again. So right now, y'all, I'm just basically working it in, making sure that I got each color covered on there, making sure that each part got bleach on there, because, wow, this is facing the front. So again, y'all, I tried to get a closer shot to show y'all how the front of my head look. Don't laugh at the mannequin head. Me and Miss Shirley been through some things. My mom actually showed me where to get the mannequin head from. I was trying to find this mannequin head for the longest, and I've had it for about 4 years, and it looks like I've had it for 4 years. I have another one that's free of product and hair dye and all this kind of stuff. So before y'all come for me in the comments saying, "Ooh, what's wrong with her mannequin head?" It's been through some things. This is my working mannequin head, where I color and do all my work. So again, y'all, make sure y'all pack that product on there. Pack that product, because you don't want no weird looking colors. And y'all, tell me why I started coloring and forgot my T-pin. So I had to hurry up and try to clamp the wig back on there. Y'all pray for me. I was going through so much this day, but I got this out because y'all deserve some new content. Make sure you got on gloves. As you can see, me, I got on 2 pair of gloves, because y'all know I love my acrylics. Y'all know I love my long nails. So make sure you got your nails on. So right here, easy part. You're gonna take your hot water. I got hot water off the out of the bathroom sink, and I took my color first. I went in first with the Burgundy Envy. I stirred it up. Then I went in with the Rich Amber. Make sure once you add one color or both, because it don't matter how you do it. I used to do 2 colors. You take a comb or, a toothpick or something that's long with the long end, and you stir the colors together. You have to stir so you don't have lumps in your color. You don't want lumps, because lumps produce bad coloring jobs. So make sure you stir. Keep stirring. It has to be consistent, guys. It has to be consistent. So I'm gonna literally soak my wig in there. You got it? Yes. Did you just dump the whole wig in there? Yes, I just literally just dumped the whole wig in there. Watch out for your lace. Luckily, my lace is already cut because I've had this wig before. This wig is actually from my line. Make sure y'all shop with me. My hair company is coming back soon. Stay tuned for that. This is a 13x1 lace wig from my hair company. It has 13 inches across the front and a 1-inch parting space down the middle. I was going for a middle part, so why not, use a cheat code and just buy a 13x1. So yeah, y'all just see me basically submerging the wig in the hair color. Watching out, I'm holding the wig by the middle because that's where the most lace is. That's where my part is. So I'm making sure that I don't get no color on my lace because, well, stained lace is not your friend. You don't want stained lace because it's hard to get that color out of that lace, okay? So make sure you just dump your wig in there. Well, for me, I'm holding it because it be my luck. I get my lace messed up. I've messed up my lace so many times, y'all, and I just cried and just didn't wear the wig. So make sure you just submerging your lace. Well, not your lace, excuse me. Submerging your wig inside of there and make sure everything is right. So this is how it came out. Burgundy, whoop whoop. Y'all like this little color? I like this color because it came out cute. I've been trying to get this color for the longest. This is how it came out. So 13x1. Y'all see the part? I really didn't define my part because, well, I didn't want that super defined of the part. I was just going for a relaxed look. But it's a 13x1. The middle part in the front, I really just slapped it on there and I went in with a suit brush and got the color that I want. So watch me slide this wig on. You see? Watch me. Wig is on and I'm ready. Make sure you pull it back, pull it down, submerge it into your skin because you don't want a helmet for a wig. You want the wig to lay flat. So make sure you pull it back, pull it to the side, make sure you have it all on because, well, no helmet wigs, ladies, no helmet wigs. So this is how I did it. I was just chilling. I've already cut the lace because I've worn this wig before. I'm going to put makeup on because I'm going somewhere and that's it. Period. Who slays the girls? The Boujee Baddie slays the girls. All right. So this is how it came out. I am happy with the color. I'm happy with my curls fell, y'all. So, but y'all get the picture. I'm happy with the color. This nice, cute burgundy, deep burgundy color. Again, y'all, if y'all have not followed, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at the Boujee Baddie. Make sure y'all subscribe. Turn on those post notifications because another lit video is coming. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. And that's on it. Subscribe, follow me, period. Let's head out to the next channel. You don't already know what it is. I'm coming with another lip banger. And that's on that. Big period. Follow me. Instagram is right there. Big period because I'm big pressure. See y'all.